Welcome! In front of me I have Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the HitFit Pro application on our phone. In the app, you should see the home screen, this one. Now tap on the profile icon in the top left corner to open the profile menu, and here you should see the device category. Tap on this arrow right here to open the drop-down menu, and then select device information. Here tap on Unpair button, then tap on Action. The device will be disconnected from the app, as you can see. You can also open the Bluetooth settings on your watch, or rather phone, my bad, on the phone. So let's open the settings, connected devices, and here we have the Bluetooth settings, and check if the watch is still on the list of devices. It's not, but if it was, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget device, and then tap on forget to confirm and completely disconnect it from our phone. Okay. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.